don't have come here for campaigning any particular party. We are here from our party to meet them and hear from them and the real problem. And that is maybe beyond our jurisdiction, but today we have seen the starvation of the common people, the children, younger people. So our earnest request to the central government, state government of Mizoram and Tripura also, they are our people. They are not from foreign countries. So we request the appropriate department of the government to provide them their daily food, their ration. It should continue with medicine and treatment so that they don't suffer any major diseases which may bring havoc sort of virus. So this is our earnest request which we both have spoken. We don't incite them with very, very attractive hearing point, and so we don't do it. We want to do the real thing. Till they are satisfied with their agreement with the central government and state government, they should be given their ration and medical care and their necessary clothing. This is what we have expressed, our zeal and our heartfelt for these people. Thank you.